Good afternoon. This is Judge Bigney. Do I have Mr. Mason online on Mendel Raphael? Counsel, you're on mute. Counsel,
Can you hear me now, Your Honor?
yes, we can.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allow me on behalf of the defendant.
Sir, what is your name?
Mendel Raphael.
Your case number is 2025 CF 12101. You're here and probable cause has been found for felony 3 conspiracy, extortion, and stalking. State and defense, I'll allow state to go first on bond and release conditions.
I'm sorry. Did you still state to go first or defense, Your Honor?
Either. I didn't specify.
Oh.
Go ahead.
I'll defer to the state.
And Your Honor, as charged, Mr. Raphael is currently entitled to bond at this time. Count 1 is an F3, count 2 is an F2, and count 3 is an M1. As he is entitled to bond, we will be asking for at least the schedule on all counts. State is concerned regarding his community ties. I do not believe he has any links to the community or Florida in general. I do believe there was an extradition request from New York, where I believe Mr. Raphael primarily lives. For the schedule for the F3 is 5,000. The schedule for the F2 is 10, and the schedule for the M1 is 1,000. The facts alleged are concerning, and the extortion is largely claiming that he has nude photographs and videos of the alleged victim, stating that he's going to post them if she does not provide money to him. Multiple of those photos and videos have been reviewed by law enforcement of her in intimate moments with, I believe, her ex-boyfriend, or in little clothing, dancing. She did advise both of those videos were for an ex-boyfriend. So we will be asking for the schedule on all counts based on the allegations, the charges, and his lack of ties to the community.
Mr. Mason, before you say anything, corrections, is there any kind of extradition or out-of-state history?
No, Your Honor, it doesn't look like any out-of-state history.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, if he was extradited.
Defense counsel, do you want to be heard? And the bond schedule does call for double those amounts if a defendant has no ties to the community.